Good morning, dears. How are you all? Fine? Yes. So, today we are going to learn the poem. Okay? Topic is manners. Okay? And before that, some more worksheets are there in fourth chapter. Okay? We will do that in our next class. Okay, dears? Okay. Now tell me, what is manners? Do you know? What is manners, dears? The treatment of other people with courtesy and politeness. Okay? Do you understand anything? So, the treatment of treating other people with courtesy and politeness. Okay? We considered it as a good manner. Other than this, greeting everyone, saying thank you, these also good manners. Am I right? Yes? Yes. So, today we are going to learn about this. That is manners. Okay? Shall we begin? Yes. Okay, dears. First, I am reading slowly. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me. Okay? Okay. All of you take page number 72. Okay, page number 72. First line. Water and soap will make you sweet. Brush and comb will keep you neat. But thank you, please, and pardon me will make a sweeter child of thee. With clothes that have no spot or rent, with shoes that shine, be not content, but polish up your manners to make courtesy a part of you. Once again, I am reading. Listen carefully. Water and soap will make you sweet. Brush and comb will make you neat. But thank you, please, and pardon me will make a sweeter child of thee. With clothes that have no spot or rent, with shoes that shine, be not content, but polish up your manners to make courtesy a part of you. And this poem is written by Florence A. Richardson. Okay, this poem is written by Florence A. Richardson. What is the author name? What is the poet name? We don't say it as author. Okay, if anyone write novel means we say it as author, and who writes poem is poet. Okay, and who is the poet? Florence A. Richardson. Okay, dears. And okay, now tell me, dears, what are good manners? Tell me. requesting something, asking pardon, saying thank you, right? Yes, these are good manners. Okay, so you have to use these words with your elders and friends, okay, and neighbors. Okay, dears. So these are good manners in this. And now, shall we see the rhyming words in this poem? Okay. Before that, what is rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. Okay, which has same sound. We call it as rhyming words. Okay, dears. Shall we see the rhyming words? Some of the examples are goat, boat, sit, hit. Okay, these are rhyming words. So, these words are in the end of the line. Okay, so rhyming words are two or more words that have same or similar ending sound. The first line, what is the ending word? Sweet, right? And next line, neat. Sweet, neat. Rhyming words, right? It's ending in a similar manner, right? Sweet, neat. Next line, me, thee. And next one, rent, content. And last one, to you. Okay, these are called rhyming words. Once again, I am reading sweet, neat, pardon, me, thee, rent, content, to you. These are rhyming words. Okay, dears. Okay, I am once again reading this poem, and in your home read aloud 2 or 3 times, and this is your homework for this week. Okay, dears, read aloud, and I will explain this in our next class. Okay, once again I am reading, listen carefully. Water and soap will make you sweet. Brush and comb will keep you neat. But thank you, please, and pardon me will make a sweeter child of thee. With clothes that have no spot or rent, with shoes that shine, be not content, but polish up your manners too. Make courtesy a part of you. Poet Florence A. Richardson. Okay, dears, and please read this poem again and again, and I will explain in next class. Okay, dears, we will meet in the next class. If you have any doubts regarding this, please clarify in your interaction section. Okay, dear. Thank you. Take care.